Hi, Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, Introduction to HTML course. This video is about the article tag. This kind of goes along with the header tag, the footer tag, the main tag. This is an article tag. This is how you mark off where an article begins and where an article ends. And of course you can have multiple articles on a page, but a lot of times you don't. A lot of times you just have one and then you have a list of articles somewhere. In our case, in this little what is HTML document we've been working on, we really only have one article, and it starts right after the main tag starts. It ends right before the main tag ends. Okay, and we're going to save that. Go over here, refresh. Now isn't that interesting? Because our H1 tag is now part of an article, Microsoft Edge chose to render it smaller. I think that's interesting. Now we can make decisions like that too when we start getting into cascading style sheets, CSS. We could write a rule that says, you know, such and such tag, if it's inside an article, it does this, and you know, if it's not inside an article, it won't do that. So that is another advantage of giving your documents structure. Is it not only describes the structure to search engines and makes your page more accessible, but also it gives you more ways to describe the structure of your document when you're writing CSS or when you're writing JavaScript even, so that you can target exactly which things you want to change. So that's very cool. But the main point of this video is you have an article tag. If you write an article and put it online, you should wrap article tags around the article, or seen another way, you should put the article in an article block. All right, thank you.